Right then, let's get into the recap for the day. No trades today. Price action was a bit dogging, to be honest. Yeah, I mean, we swept London highs, and then, I was looking for potential short or an inverse to come down at least to take the London lows. That would have been the scalp. But we didn't really get anything. You can see here, nothing on a 15-minute, 30-minute. It's just nothing. And yeah, really, price just didn't look like it was very bearish today. I mean, no red folder today, so similar on S&P as well. Got this expansion at London session, bit of accumulation, and then manipulation up during 8:30 to 9:30. From there, small displacement here, but we traded into this imbalance, and then little wick, and then just come down gradually, retrace up. And as you can see, that pullback, there wasn't really any fair value gap that got traded into. I mean, you could probably look at this candle as an entry here, like this fair value gap on a 5-minute, but you know what you're aiming for if you do that. So like, let's say there, stop loss above that, target London low. I mean, 2.16, wouldn't even have hit TP. So we didn't even take London lows on S&P, which is, I didn't actually realise that. So, yeah, Nasdaq took London low, and we're just accumulating through the PM session. We had a little bit of movement. Maybe it looks a bit more when you do that. Yeah, it's just been fairly choppy today, to be honest. And yeah, I'd like to see going into tomorrow or Friday this 30-minute imbalance. Either this get inverse, we trade back off it and continue up, or that acts as a spot to then drop down here. But I think going into tomorrow, previous daily range or today's range is going to be quite reasonable for a setup. We've got PPI and unemployment claims dropping at the 8:30 news drivers. I think there's also like the 10 o'clock news drivers as well, I think, unless that's Friday. So yeah, the range is going to be between here and here, which is how many pips is that? 968 to 785, just between 200 pips. So yeah, I'll just see what we get, and yeah, I think it should be all right. If I don't take another trade this week, I've no problem with that. Like I said in yesterday's video, I'm already up 2.39% on the month, so that's pretty much good enough for me at this point. Bitcoin 122, very close to all-time highs again. Ethereum has been ripping today. Yeah, man. Look at the old monthly. Oh, that's the wrong way. I'm expecting Ethereum to come up to like 6.2k. That's why I've got take profits set in my portfolio. It's obviously a longer term move. Like, this is the monthly chart here, so this is a big fib range. I think if we reset this, it's around 6.8 here. But if we did it with this range as well, I think. Yeah. 5.3, 5.4. So anyway, it's not really focus at the moment. Solana doing its thing. Oh, what a fumble that was back then. Yeah, ultimately nothing doing today. So we will continue to move nicely into the rest of the week and the rest of the month. Coming up to the end of the month soon. We've got one or two more weeks. But yeah, with that being said, stop rambling and yeah, catch you tomorrow.